Trail Trash, welcome back. Today I want to do a quick video and show you a product that I've been using. I think today is a perfect time to kind of show it in action. I've used it a few times when I come out to the river or the creek area. We have lots of sand out there. The product is from OXILAM. They're a company, they have lighting and tire inflators, and this product is a vacuum, a cordless, wireless vacuum, 4-in-1 vacuum cleaner. I'm going to go through it and show you what came in the box. Then we're actually going to put it to the test. I haven't charged it up since the last time I used it, so I vacuumed my FJ twice with it, the passenger side and the driver's side. They reached out to me to see if I wanted to try the product, and I didn't see anything, and then their representative emailed me back. It's like, hey, did you want to try this? And I just went out to the river. My wife and I went out to the river, and it was so sandy. So I was like, sure. So they sent it to me. And the first time I used it, it blew me away that how well it actually worked on getting all the sand out of my FJ. I figured, well, let me keep using it, and then I'll see if it's worth using. But so far it's been good, and that's why I wanted to take the time today to let you see it in action and to actually kind of finish up this content and capture it for them and showcase this product, because it's really good. There's got a lot of different uses for it. We'll go through some of the functions and what comes in the box, and then we'll put it to the test. All right, so here's the box, and I got mine in black, and this is the VC030. It's strong suction, Type-C charging, double filter. I do like that. It's got a metal filter and a HEPA filter, and then it's just wireless and compact. So with this, you've got the case itself, a nice sleeve there for it, but it comes with a pet hair attachment. So if you ride with pets that shed in your vehicle, that's for you. And then it's just a cleaning brush to get down and clean, like in the filter area and stuff when you take it out. And then these nozzles are for inflating. That's for like an air mattress, maybe pool toys for that. And then this is the blowing nozzle for like keyboards and stuff. You can just, or like door sills in your truck, like you can blow stuff out of your cup holders, all of that. Like really functional device. And it does come with the extra HEPA filter. And then this brush here, which plugs into the actual device. And it does have your user manual and the charging cords at home, but it does come with its own USB-C. And I'm doing this one-handed, so I'm sorry. But the case is nice, and here is the vacuum. Let me set this up, but I want to kind of show you this. That is the USB-C charging port. All right, so on this, that opens up your dirt, and that's how you empty out your compartment. And then you just twist this, and your filter's right there. You just pull it out, and it's a double filter, the HEPA, and then your metal. You just put that in there and twist it. I don't even think I've taken off the plastic on this yet. I haven't. I've been using it just all ghetto. That's just a protective film. But again, you just open that out, empty it, and then clean the filter, you clean it there. So let's, not much to this. That's the blowing. And it's all one button. You hold it down. Hit it again for max. And the two times I used it in eco mode instead of max mode, and I was blown away. It was after the second use. Yeah, the second use is whenever I found out that it had max mode. So eco mode does just fine, and it saves your battery. To recharge it, the recharge time is 3.5 to 4 hours, and it's a 2000 milliamp hour battery. And other than that, LED display, that's about all you need to know about the specs on it. But let's put this thing to the test. I'll show you what we're about to get into in the FJ, and then I'll set the camera up and we'll get it. All right, gang, let's take a look and just, so you can see, and some of that's from yesterday, so everything won't come up, but like all of that loose stuff, it will come up. And you see a lot of this. I'll get all of this. And I like it for my seats because I can get down in those cracks with the brush and get some of that stuff out. Really OCD about leaving dirt in the vehicle, and when I come out to the creek and go camping, it's like this. So it'll just help me to keep that cut down. But let me set the camera up, and then I'm going to get the vacuum and we will see how it does. So I think I'm going to start in the seat. It's an eco mode. Putting it on. So, like I said, that is just from the rain and sand from yesterday, but all the loose sand is up. Let me zoom in there. You can see, like, it does really good for a little handheld, and I love that, just being able to clean this up. Alright guys, I just finished that, and I'm gonna see if we can, oh yeah, you can see that. That's a good bit. I just do that each time. I like to empty it out, tap it out, and get all the dirt and dust out of it, and then stick it back in the sleeve. So to use your blowing function, you just put the blowing nozzle or your inflating nozzles into the exhaust port, which is the port that you charge it at. And you just put it in there, it's the same function, hold it down. And you can see it's got a nice blowing function or inflating function, but they all just go in there and twist for use. That is it for this video. Just a short video showing you a really awesome product. It sucks, but not in a bad way. And that's the 4-in-1 vacuum cleaner from OXILAM. And I would like to thank OXILAM for sending me the vacuum out. I did not think it was going to meet my expectations. I really didn't have any expectations, but I just didn't have much faith in it. But I am glad I chose to get it because it really works great getting all the sand and everything out of the FJ every time I'm down here. It blew me away the first time I used it, and then the second time I used it, and then this is the third time I've used it on the same charge. And the other 2 times, my wife was with me, so I cleaned out the passenger side as well. I would like to thank OXILAM for sending it out to me. Really excited about it. I will leave a link in the description. I have an affiliate link with them, so that's one way to help out, help support the channel. So if you're in the market for it, check them out. It is a really good product, and it does suck. Thank you guys for joining along. If you're not subscribed to the channel, please do so. If you got any questions, comments, or anything, please drop them below. And until next time, stay trashy.